Alright, our last method today is called rise over run method. Rise over run. In order to do this, we're going to change this ax plus by equals c form into y equals mx plus b slope y-intercept form, where slope is rise over run. Alright, let's do a little bit of work. So 2x plus 3y equals 12. We're going to minus 2x each side. We have 3y equals negative 2x plus 12. We're going to isolate the y. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. We have y is negative 2 over 3, x plus 4. Now, this gives us the slope. Slope is negative 2 over 3. And gives us y-intercept. Y-intercept is 4, so slope in y-intercept. Now we're going to erase here and make a graph. Okay, y and x. Step 1, we're going to graph this y-intercept. Y-intercept is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, slope is negative 2/3. What you can do is that you can put this negative sign on top. You're going to say negative 2 over 3. Remember, it's rise over run. If it's a positive number, you're going to go up. Positive go up. Negative go down. Okay, so if it's negative 2, we're going to go from this is 4, we just graphed, right? Then we're going to go down 2. We're going to say down 1, down 2. We'll finish this. And then 3. 3 means if it's a positive, this time you're going to go to the right. If it's a negative number go to the left. Positive number go to right. Okay? So now we went down 2. We're going to go over 3. 1, 2, 3. And we got our second point. Now, we can connect these 2 points. And remember, this is your y-intercept. This is your x-intercept. This method you use called rise over run method. Alright. We did a down 2 and over to the right. What if we change the direction a little bit? Can we do up and left to create a negative slope? Let's try. So if it's negative 2 over 3, I can think as negative 2 over 3. Therefore, I go down 2, go to the right 3. What if I consider as a positive 2 over negative 3, which means I'm going to go up 2, go to the left 3. Let's try that. I'm going to go up to 1, 2. I go up 2. I stopped at 6, right? I'm going to go 3. If you don't like this direction, we can do this. We can go up 2 and then go 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. And that's our second point. And then I'm going to connect it. Did you see that's the first time when we did down and over right? We have a point here. This time we did up and over left. If we did everything correctly, these 3 points going to be collinear. Collinear means on the same straight line, okay? All right, now we're going to connect it. Pencil. And keep going. If you keep going, make it long. All right? And of course, my line wiggle a little bit. Highly suggest you at home use a ruler. Make it look good. Make it look precise. All right. This concludes our 3 methods. We create a 5-point table. We used x-intercept, y-intercept. We use rise over run. Happy learning.